What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium, and welcome back to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, if you watched the homework yesterday, I said it's very important that we hold the weekly low from the previous week, which was about the 410 level. Okay, the overnight low came and we dipped down and we held. Okay, and we held, which prompted us to go ahead and go up to our next level. We said 415. Okay, 415, pretty much the previous day's low, high, excuse me. So we went up there, rejected off it, but something interesting happened today. We technically have an engulfing daily candle. Now, don't get it confused with an outside day candle. It's just an engulfing candle where basically this body engulfs the entire body of the previous day. Okay, so now that we see the weekly low is held, okay, we have 1, 2, 3 bottom at 412, which we said was a big level. Okay, my lean for tomorrow is that we're going to go and try this 415 level again. Specifically, if we get over 415.42, which was the previous day's high, I think we definitely try for this gap fill at 417. Why I like the 417 area as well is look at this green dotted line on the daily chart is the 20-day moving average. The 5MA, okay, is also here at 417 as well. And we see the 8 EMA also coming down to 418, 417 area. So a lot of magnet, if you will. It's an opportunity for us to magnet back to that gap fill area. Now, what happens there, I have no idea, but I know that over 415.42, we'll definitely go to test that gap fill. Okay. Now, does that gap fill get filled? I have no idea. Tomorrow we have a ton of economic data comes out before market open. Okay. And then we have Friday. We've also the beginning of the Jackson Hole meeting for the Fed. And then Friday we have, Mr. Fuck Your Puts, Jerome Powell, getting on right 30 minutes into market open. Okay. So I will not be holding any continuations trades, anything overnight. Tomorrow will be a day trade. It will be like today. It will be like yesterday. It is a smash and grab. Okay. When you get into consolidations out of trend, okay. Well, here we saw consolidation. Then we had a trend day down. Then we had consolidation. You strictly play level to level. We said if 410 holds, look at 412, then 415. 410 held overnight. We opened at 412. We went to 415, rejected. It's meant to get you to trap. Okay. You see how you thought in the morning we had an initial dip down, then a rip higher. It trapped everybody to go short here. Then it trapped everybody to go long here. Do you understand? Trend day, or excuse me, chop days, consolidation are trap days. Trend days have continuation. Okay. Trend days have continuation. The market either trends or it consolidates. That's it. And the majority of the time it consolidates. Understand what the trend is. Okay. If you understand what the trend is, you wouldn't have shorted the hole. Okay. And you wouldn't have longed the previous day's high. Okay. Now, one thing I do want to make note of is it's not pretty, but it's there for some of us to see. Now we have the bullish engulfing candle on the daily, but we see here kind of an ugly little inverse kind of head and shoulders. Now, NVIDIA did miss earnings, sold off a tad. If they buy it up tomorrow and they want to buy the Tesla split up tomorrow, I think we could get a nice surge, at least to 415 of a nice break. Okay. Also, the thing I did not mention that I would be targeting as well, that is right there. What is here? This solid blue line is a 200 EMA. Okay. Well, last time we tested it and we broke through and back tested it. So we broke through it. Is it time to back test? Maybe. If we can't get through the weekly low, the previous week's low, it's a good chance that we probably head higher. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. As long as 412 holds, guys, I'll be looking at 415, 417. Gap fill takes us to 422. Possible on Friday if Powell is dovish. No idea what he's going to do. Above there, 425. Then we got 429, 30-ish with the 200 MA and the trend line up there as well. It would make very nice for a lot of people to get a double top there, and more of a pain trade, in my opinion. I think the sentiment is a little bit bearish just because we lost 4,200. A lot of people really want us to crater. Last time, a lot of people really want us to crater. They loaded puts, and then they unwound those puts of the market makers to the upside. All right. The pain train still seems like it's to the upside for me. I also think about this. Anytime Jerome Powell has spoken, I would check to see what we did post him speaking. Okay. A little bit of homework for you to go do. Other than that, guys, downside under 412, 410. That's a weekly low. That breaks gets really bad. Gets really, really bad. 407, underneath 407, we're pretty much going to 400 from there. Because you can see this 50-day moving average down here. The purple dot is 397.98. Okay. So it gets bad underneath the weekly low, losing, especially if 407 goes. All right. Other than that, guys, get your fucking homework done. Don't do anything stupid. Okay. Watch the pre-market action. Mark your levels, and I'll see you bright and early. Peace.